Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here for the first time, this is NK Joyce Kitchen. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, consider to do so. And to those who are subscribed, I say thank you. Today's video, I want to share with you how I made this homemade mangi powder. The one on my right hand side is the homemade, and the one on my left hand side is the store bought. So I took the list of the ingredients on the short board and make my own. No different, the same thing, the same taste, the same smell. It smells good. I've listed below all the ingredients I use for this recipe. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to slice. I have thoroughly washed all my products. They are thoroughly washed and nicely cleaned. So I'm going to slice them one after the other. So after slicing them, I'm going to blend them with salt. So when doing this kind of homemade mangi powder, measure your salt. It's very important. Please, when you are subscribing, kindly hit on the notification button so that whenever I update any of my videos, you'll be notified. If you are subscribing without hitting on the notification button, there is no way you can be getting notification from my video, from my channel. It will be as if maybe I'm not posting anything. I am posting things consistently. It's just that you are not getting notification because you are not hitting on the notification button. So please, whenever you're subscribing, kindly hit on the notification button. YouTube will always notify you whenever I update any videos. Please don't just watch my video without dropping me your comment. Your comment means so much. It means you encourage me to do more videos. You can't just subscribe to someone, watch someone video, and you just leave without dropping comment. Your comment encourage that person to do more videos. So for me not to keep your time, I just have to fast forward the video. So once I'm done slicing all of these ingredients, I'm going to blend them together. I've just blended the first one. So I'm still going to add it to the ones I'm going to blend. So once I'm done, I'm going to season it with salt and make sure I mix very well. Then I'm going to blend them. I will blend them smoothly. So once I've blended it, I'm going to spread the blended ingredients in a single layer on a dehydrator tray. You can use your oven if that's what you prefer, in case maybe you don't have dehydrator in your kitchen. You can use oven. So maybe if you notice it's dropping out water, you can drain it fast. So as you can see, I will make sure I set the dehydrator temperature to 135 degrees. I mean 57 degree. Highest is 60-70 degree. So and I would dry it for 8 to 10 hours until they are completely dry and brittle. If you are using oven, set the oven to the lowest temperature setting and dry for 6 to 8 hours. So as you can see in the video, so I'm still going to reblend it smoothly. Guys, believe me, this Maggi powder is exactly the one we buy here in Italy. I gave it to 2 people. They testify of this Maggi powder. They gave me 100%, which means I passed the exam. So I will remove them from the dehydrator and let them cool for a few minutes. Then I will place in a blender and grind until they are finely ground into a powder. So I will store the Maggi powder in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. It can last up to 1 year depending on how you use it. So guys, if you like what you see here, please drop me your comment, kindly share with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks and God bless you all. You all remain blessed and see you in my next video. Bye. I wish I knew.
consequences.